Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the exact moments you want to repurpose. Focus on short, engaging clips under 60 seconds. Use a reliable downloader to save the YouTube MP4, and make sure you note the timestamps and any music or copyright flags. Once done, convert or plan framing for vertical display. You need to decide which parts to crop or zoom. Make sure to keep source quality high so the final TikTok looks crisp. Now you move into editing. Set your project to 9:16 and import the YouTube clip. Reframe the shot by panning or scaling so faces and action remain centered. You might use a 1.5 to 2x zoom to fill the frame. Then trim ruthlessly, cut filler, tighten pacing, and add bold captions for viewers who watch muted. Also replace or mute copyrighted audio if needed, and add a native TikTok-friendly sound or a royalty-free track to avoid takedowns. Finish by exporting H.264 MP4 at 1080 by 1920 and checking file size against TikTok limits. You want a clean, high-quality upload. Write a short caption that explains the clip, add 3 to 5 relevant hashtags, and pick an engaging thumbnail. Upload from the TikTok app and monitor for copyright warnings. If TikTok blocks the video, swap the audio to a cleared track or trim the flagged section. Then re-export and upload again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.